Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the cameras of the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi 10i device in terms of the slow motion recording. So let's see friends which phone has a better slow motion recording and which can record the maximum slow motion recording shots as well. I'll try to cover one of the video which I have recorded in both the phones separately, and let's see friends which phone has a better advantage in terms of the slow motion recording only. So in another video, I'll try to compare the various aspects of the cameras as well, testing the sample images, testing the video stabilization and other things. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned just in case if you want to know more details about this both the smartphones. Make sure to check the playlist links in the description below, where you can find 200 plus videos on the Realme X7 Pro and the 100 plus videos on the Mi 10i device. So let's get started friends with this kind of slow motion video comparison between the both the phones. So first let me try to quickly show you the camera features, what's present in both the smartphones. You should know which phone has a better slow motion recording capabilities as well in terms of the software thing. So to access that, you need to go to the more options in both the smartphones, in the Realme and in the Mi 10i as well. So once you're in there, you can find the slow motion and slow motion. So once you click the slow motion in the Realme X7 Pro device, you can find 240 fps and 120 fps. There is no option to record the 480 fps. As you can see, only 240 fps and 120 fps only. So whereas in the Mi 10i device, you can actually record a very good wide range of things, like recording at 960 fps or 240 fps or 120 fps at 1080 resolution or 720 resolution. You do have so much of customization in terms of the options, but 960 fps is the highest recording slow motion test in this comparison between the both the smartphones. So whereas the Realme can only record a maximum of 240 fps only. So 240 is a very quite disadvantage friends when you compare with the Mi 10i device. So in this video, I'll try to compare the 960 fps slow motion test versus the 240 fps slow motion test on this Realme X7 Pro device. So slow motion is a feature which may not, most of the users may not be using that kind of feature as well, slow motion thing. But just to give a quick idea, this video will be very helpful for most of the people as well. So let me try to quickly open this is a lighter test which I did in both the smartphones. So let me try to quickly play this shot which I recorded in this Realme phone, and this is the shot which I recorded in the Mi 10i device. So let me try to quickly zoom into this particular shot. So this is a slow motion test which I have recorded in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see friends, this is a 240 fps slow motion recording. So whereas in this Mi 10i device, let me try to quickly zoom in, 960 fps shot friends, 960. As you can see how much slow the flame is. It's a really good to watch in this kind of slow motion test, so which I particularly like in this Mi 10i device particularly. I did do a couple of testings as well before getting this perfect shot. So there's a huge difference friends between this both of the smartphones in terms of this kind of lighter test. Let me try to play it again. As you can see, the lighting test 960 fps versus 240 fps, how it is. So it's a really interesting thing friends, testing the 960 fps. I do have a couple of camera samples as well testing the 960 fps. So make sure to subscribe for more this kind of 960 fps camera samples from this Mi 10i device. As you can clearly see friends, the shot from the Mi 10i looks really good and very slow motion, 960 fps. So this is what the difference is between the both of the smartphones, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description friends for more details as well regarding the both the smartphones. You can find so many videos which are already uploaded on this Realme X7 Pro. As you can see friends, 960 fps. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye. And one more thing, you can also zoom in a lot in this Mi 10i device. You can zoom till the flame. As you can see friends, till the flame. That's a really good thing I didn't see before, but in the Realme X7 Pro you cannot zoom in. You can zoom in, but it stays. Again, it goes back. But in MI 10i device, I can zoom till the this kind of lighter, as you can see, friends. It's very very good in the MI 10i. I think the having the 108 megapixel lens is quite advantage as well. And that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And one more thing is that in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpapers which are downloaded right now and which I'm using in this phone, so this is a live wallpaper, and make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the wallpaper. And a lot of users, they did ask me what kind of wallpapers I'm using in my devices, so that's why I thought of telling in a video so that you know exactly which wallpaper to use. Even there is specially designed wallpapers for Mi 10i smartphone and the even the Realme X1 Pro as well. So make sure to check the links in description for more details. As you can see, friends, lot of live wallpapers, good looking live wallpapers available here. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.